Does your holding tank still show as full even though you just emptied it out? In my case, 3/4 full, grazed a little bit. This one is because toilet paper has dried onto your sensors over the years or on that particular trip. So here's a tip I learned from a blog a long time ago. Take some fabric softener, dump that into your toilet. Ideally before you dump your tank, but too late now. So I'll take this. I added some water already. Throw a bunch of that in there. So 2 ways to get it back up to full so this starts to do its job, because you're going to have to fill up your tank until you can basically see the water at the top there. Is fill up your fresh water and just keep running your toilet until it fills up. Or in my case, I'm going to take a garden hose, turn off the pump, run the garden hose in there and fill it right to the top. So let's see how our fabric softener made out. Great, so the holding tank is now at 0. Gray is also at 0, but that's just because I filled it up and emptied it. There's probably some food stuck in there. Fresh is at 0, but most importantly, holding now is at 0. So again, add some fabric softener, fill up your tank to completely full, let it soak for as long as you can, and then drain it, and hopefully it'll clear your sensors. Hope that helps.